Hi, good morning. It's 20th of September 2025, 7:28 in the morning. I'm at Carpenter Recreation Center. Ananya shifts is going to start at 8, but she's already gone inside. Almost 7:30, these guys have to be here. I woke up early around, I think around 5-ish today, and just did some recording because ये विचारों का वो चलता रहता है और उस वक़्त मैं यही क्वेश्चन कर रही थी सभी लोगों से. वो वीडियो मैंने पोस्ट नहीं किया, बट क्वेश्चन था कि देखो, आप कितने पढ़े लिखे हो और कितने अनपढ़ हो, उसका संस्कारों से कुछ भी लेना देना नहीं है. You guys are open to share your judgments on this question. You guys are open to share your opinions on this. संस्कारों का, अपब्रिंगिंग का, आप कितने पढ़े लिखे हो और कितने पढ़े लिखे नहीं हो, उससे कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. ठीक है. ये जो डिज़ास्टर चल रहा है पिछले 5 साल से, इसमें पढ़े लिखे भी इन्वॉल्व हैं और अनपढ़ लोग भी इन्वॉल्व हैं. पढ़े लिखे आर्मी बैकग्राउंड से भी लोग इन्वॉल्व हैं. पढ़े लिखे 25-30 साल वेदांता पढ़ने वाले लोग भी इन्वॉल्व हैं. पढ़े लिखे सो कॉल्ड हिंदू रिलीजियस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लोग भी इन्वॉल्व हैं और अनपढ़ लोग भी इन्वॉल्व हैं. सो इट डजंट मार्क्स अ डिफरेंस हाउ एजुकेटेड एंड हाउ अनएजुकेटेड यू आर while you are a part of a cyber trafficking. संस्कार आते हैं यहाँ पे, आपकी अपब्रिंगिंग आती है यहाँ पे. और मैं बार बार, मैंने पिछले वीडियोस में भी ये बोला कि जो माँ बाप अपने बेटे या अपनी बेटी को तमाच नहीं मार पाए ये काम करते हुए कि यार तुम किसी लड़की की इज्जत की धज्जियां उड़ा करके उसके ऊपर पैसे कमा रहे हो, तुम किसी लड़की की पर्सनल स्पेस को इन्वेड कर करके उसमें पार्टनर्स इन क्राइम बना रहे हो. जो माँ बाप ये नहीं कर पाए, आई एम सो सॉरी टू से, लानत है उन माँ बाप के ऊपर. आई जस्ट कैन नॉट रिस्पेक्ट दोज पेरेंट्स who feel okay that their kid is making money out of degrading a woman's integrity to every extent, invading their privacy to the bathroom, invading their privacy to the personal space in every possible way. So I totally blame their parents for not giving that correct sanskara, because of which they had the audacity to cross all the boundaries or the limits of ethics, morality, integrity, manners. Manners are not subject to only the way how you speak or how you dress or how you walk or how you eat. Manners are more deeper level than that. ओके. जब आपके अंदर वो संस्कार नहीं है कि यार, एक तो बड़े घर से आ रही है लड़की, मैं आपके सामने बोलती हूँ XYZ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, देर इज़ अ चाइल्ड फ्रॉम एन अफ्लुएंट फैमिली और देर इज़ अ लेडी फ्रॉम द अफ्लुएंट फैमिली. You may not dare to barge into their privacy. You may not dare to abuse their child because you see, oh, there is a financial or economic status is a little higher. But you feel okay to barge in somebody's privacy because maybe from a middle class family. You feel okay to abuse a child of that person who are from middle class family. then please, basically, you need to reiterate yourself that you have not been given the correct sanskara how to treat anyone as a human. You have been given, oh, if you see an economic status of a affluent family, you will have to treat them. But if you see somebody coming from a middle class family, you have a right to abuse them. This doesn't come under education or uneducation. This comes under completely your sanskara. Unfortunately, as I said, we have people in the society coming from all the backgrounds who became a part of this nuisance, who are making money, and even a chunk of celebrities who feel okay being a part of this nuisance. It is shame on them. It is absolute shame on them, because you're not only jeopardizing somebody's civil rights, you are defaming or degrading humanity. Let's talk about celebrities. If they do one advertisement, they get paid enormously. Let's talk about any beautiful face. Let's talk about Aishwarya Rai. She also comes from a middle class family, let me tell you that. If you talk about Amitabh Bachchan, he too comes from a middle class family. All these people were not born with a silver spoon. No, they were not born with a silver spoon. They do come from middle class family. Okay? Now, just by a virtue of getting into the film industry, okay, or let's talk about Aishwarya Rai, God gifted her a beautiful face, so she stepped up for the pageant. Okay, now having those qualities and then going in for the film industry or the advertisement or any sort of campaign, they get paid enormously. Okay, I also come from the middle class background, but who gave you the permission to invade my privacy? Who gave you the permission to use that content? Who gave you the permission to make money out of it? Who gave you the permission of making partners in crime in all this nuisance? Until date, this chapter has not been sorted. No. These people are picking up those people who can do identity theft on me and manipulate with the people's mind, but still, until date, nothing has been concluded on the nuisance that has been happening on me for last 5 years. I think this is one of the biggest disastrous chapter in history that has happened, and I mean, it's a shame that a lot of people from the armed forces are part of it. It is a shame a lot of people from the law enforcement are a part of it, and knowingly that this abuse is happening. And when yesterday I was inside the orientation, there was one of these slides that was talking about sexual harassment and the police being in the vicinity to protect your situations. Unfortunately, that was bringing a shame, because my daughter was abused inside the school premises. My daughter was abused in coordination with the teachers, being aware, and nobody was doing anything. So that thing really gets, has no standard of protection. So I'm looking forward, as a matter of fact, these people, the way they have spread the nuisance, the society will be becoming more and more moron rather than having the right kind of a wisdom. I'm looking forward for support from those people who align with my thought process, not from those people who are cooking all this nuisance in the society, but from those people who believe in individual rights, from those people who believe everybody deserves their dignity to be protected and everybody has a right to take their stand in the situations where they feel that they are not safe enough. Please support me, Swarnlata Grover from Stop Cyber Trafficking Corporation, and I need your support. Much needed.